Stop stressing over a stuck Roomba brush. Here's how to fix it in minutes. Let's get your floors spotless again. First, make sure your Roomba is turned off or unplugged for safety. Flip it over and check the side brush. Is it tangled with hair or debris? If yes, use your fingers or a small brush to clean it out. If the brush still isn't moving, grab a screwdriver and remove the single screw holding the brush in place. Take the brush off and look for dirt stuck underneath. Clean it out. Now test the brush by spinning it with your hand. If it moves freely, screw it back on and try running your Roomba again. Still stuck? The motor might need a reset. Remove the brush and press the power button for 10 seconds. Reattach the brush and turn your Roomba back on. If none of these steps work, your side brush motor might be worn out. Check your Roomba's warranty or consider a replacement motor online. That's it. With these quick steps, your Roomba's side brush should be spinning like new. Happy cleaning!